We're in Bangladesha station.
We have just started traveling.
Yeah. We bought a ticket till the Tuvalu station. And now we're going to get a highway, to get a car there.
And I think it's going to be so interesting. I'm so excited. But he is very... What?
Well, I'm not that excited.
Why, man?
Because I already did this thing. And it's not that cool, especially when it's so hot outside.
No, I'm gonna. I think it's gonna
be
be
okay. I know.
very
You
difficult.
should get something now.
So what?
So I guess first stop is going to Livingston. And I don't know how should we get there.
I think we will survive through the roads.
It's like 7 hours
We
to go. I'm afraid it takes much longer for us because we're going to change cars. We're going to wait for some. And after that, it's my birthday today.
Not today, tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow. Don't forget about your birthday.
I'll be living tomorrow, so I'm going to celebrate right there.
Yeah, of course. We will celebrate it.
My friend gonna be drunk as hell.
Yeah.
Where now? Where we at? Where are we now? I mean, start drinking your water. From old one.
Fantastic. So, where are we going now?
We are somewhere like Mikneva because our station, we just passed it.
We missed our station.
Didn't stop, you know?
And
Our train didn't stop. So, now we're trying to find bus number 51
bus number
to get
51.
to get a highway.
Yeah, let's find it.
Highway, yeah? Highway, I said. We're not far, we're like 2 hours from Moscow. South. Say hi.
We are in Mikrino, and we are leaving Mikrino by bus. I think it's gonna be too hard today, and don't know what's gonna be happening.
We're on highway. Finally, we get it. Now we're going to some kind of truck stop to find somebody to help us to get lipids.
Yeah, cause we are so helpless. We need help.
We spent like 3 hours on our way from home.
From Moscow.
Yeah, we're still in Moscow region. So, let's see what we got here. Looks like we got somebody. You don't care? What car is this?
I don't care. I really don't care.
It name's Gazelle. Russian car.
I just want to reach our destination, that's all.
Right on this, we may ride to Lipetsk.
Yeah, maybe. It depends on the mood of the driver.
Yeah, because he don't like
I
those.
think we're gonna make this. По-русски плохо говоришь? Конечно. Now, somewhere in Russia.
Really?
Really? On the way from Mikhino to Lipetsk.
So?
So it's almost night here, and we're taking some rest here. That's why we'll stop. Look, this is the car who helped us. And the man is, you can go inside maybe. And soon we will start our journey again.
And what's our plan?
And we will stay at my friend's house. Spend our night there. Tomorrow morning we will start our journey again. That's all for now.
Say hey Bangladesh.
Hey Russia!
Tell me something good.
So finally we are here in Lipet. After a long journey we reached our destination. So now we will stay here till morning, and at morning we will start our journey again towards which city?
Which? Voronezh.
Voronezh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Cool. It's morning.
Yeah.
It's still my birthday.
Still.
And we are going to I don't know. We're
Looking
going
for
to
a bus.
get,
Maybe.
Yeah, going to
Yeah.
get a bus to Voronezh.
Yeah.
Somewhere like close to Voronezh.
Close to Voronezh, maybe 2 hours to go to reach to Voronezh. We are gonna stay there maybe 2 hours just for a hangout, and then again we'll start our journey. So the weather is not so good. It was raining.
But now it's pretty sunny.
Yeah, now it's pretty sunny. We have just reached to Voronezh.
Louder.
And now we're gonna hang out here, and we're going to a park. And it's sunny here, not raining, so we're gonna enjoy. And my friend, he got a girl in the bus, and now he's busy with that girl. So now we are in Voronezh, and we're going to a park. See the city. As far as I know, we are gonna enjoy a lot with my friends. Oh, it's a sunny day. I don't like sun, but I need to go. That's all. We are somewhere in Voronezh. Yeah.
No, it's not Voronezh. It's region.
Yeah.
It's Losevo.
We failed to leave Voronezh still now, and I think we need to stay night here because nobody is gonna help us right now at night. It's already 10, so it's gonna be so hard for us. The weather is not so good. It's raining outside. That's why we are sitting inside a restaurant.
Just a fucking cafe. Super cheap.
So okay. That's all. Now we'll eat. Yeah, our food. We're gonna eat this. Not him. It's only me. I will eat. So, bye bye.
Guess where I'm at now? I'm on the road to Krasnodar. Yeah, it's like 400 kilometers to Anapa. Turn the front car.
And I'm heading along because my friend Bahim somewhere behind me, but dies. And I guess 1 hour left to Krasnodar. And I don't know when I'm gonna meet him.
We inside of the Krasnodar. It's a set.
Yeah, at last we meet.
It crossed the street. So
Yeah.
keep doing it. So what's
We will try to get a bus to go to the highway and start our journey like hitchhiking towards
what?
Anapa.
We gotta cross the
And
road.
yeah, we need to cross the road.
We was moving here separately since, I don't know, Velocity, right?
Yeah,
And
after a long time we met.
long fucking
Long
6 or 7 hours, I guess, right? So
No,
what's
man.
next?
It's last night about what, 11 or 12.
Well, crazy in here. They look at us like we are from, like we're aliens. Yeah. There's no selfie sticks in here. Shit. So what else?
Cross the road.
Let's cross the road.
Fast,
here.
man, fast.
And we're gonna cross this road, I guess, right?
Yes.
Go this way. So, yeah, I guess today we're gonna swim. Cool. Go. Say hi, girls. How you doing? How you doing? Okay. Go now, man. Before police comes.